Hi guys, in this video I will be show you how you can edit the green screen video in CapCut PC. So I already add one picture here and I'm just going to add the green screen video and make it as an overlay. So I'm just going to split the clip and remove unused. And I'm just going to resize and remove the green screen background. So how to remove? Just tap on the clip and select video option, select cut out. You can select the chroma key or select auto cut out. So just this one. I'm just going to select the auto cut out. Just click on it. You can see the green screen has been removed, but I think isn't perfect. Yeah, it's a basically, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, you can select the chroma key for the better quality.